Yes, generally, I have seen the Maldives team playing for the Olympiads and some other tournaments before I come here. So I have met them and I have seen how they play, and they have played against Sri Lanka also many times. So when I came here only, I had the big picture of how Maldivian chess players are, because I saw the players who have not even played some international tournaments, but still they're fighting so well and they're doing really well inside the country. So, as the whole picture of the Maldivian chess, I think they're very good in tactical play and they're very good in calculations. I see them very strong players and very good players as well. Basically, chess is something that develops many things in the normal day-to-day life. If we take about like patience, focusing, and then long-term decisions, imagination, and all these things help for the life as well. And I always say, for me, chess is more of like a meditation, because it's so good. You feel so calm while you play chess, and it keeps you happy, and then it's so connected to life, and it gives you more strength and power to your mind to develop more and more and be creative. Yeah, so basically, these days also, Judith Polgar is having a chess in school program developed by the World Chess Federation, as I have seen in the FIDE websites. Even in Sri Lanka, we have like chess in school concept also. We are developing that. Many countries have chess in school. If I'm not mistaken, Armenia, every school have chess in school. So it helps for all the kids in general studies as well, because chess is like a study tool which will improve the brain capacity of like any student for memory and as I explained earlier, all the aspects of the calculation and imagination. And it will help every student to be a part of a sport that will help to like imagine you have to do an exam which is like 3-4 hours. You need to sit in one place. So chess is something will teach you to stay in one place and focus. So chess will provide the student and train the student to be in the exam and do the paper, because that's something we are not learning from the school sometimes, because only a period will be like 45 minutes to 1 hour and then the kid gets a break. But we are writing an exam for 3 to 4 hours straight. Like in Asian countries, I'm not sure about the Maldivian exams, but in Sri Lanka, you have like 2 hour, 3 hour papers. But we were never trained to, that's not in the period. But chess will help you to be in one place, so that will also help in exams as well. So, well, I started chess in a very young age, like 4 years. So that time I was really like a 6-7 year. When I was 6-7 years, I used to compete with like 10, 12, 14 years. And when I was like 10, I used to compete with like 12, 14 years. So why I'm mentioning this, like chess is something, even if you're 4 or 6, it doesn't matter, you can compete even in an open section. So chess players are not like, in some sports you have to play only in your age category. But chess is something you can start very young and play in any open event and then get more experience. And even in the world level, you can see like there are 12-year-old grandmasters in India and many other countries. So chess is not defined by the age or anything. If you are good, if you are training hard, if you are working so hard, and if you are focused on your work, then you can achieve in chess. And in my experience also, it's the same thing. So I've been playing chess for very long years, like 3 years I'm playing chess. I started to travel for tournaments when I was like 9 years. So I played my first international tournament, Asian Juniors Under 20. So that's how I started, and my path in the world level. Yeah, like you mean like Sri Lanka, Maldives, and they collaborate, and like yes, definitely it will help for the players and the development. And when you talk about chess, it's not just about chess players. We have chess coaching and chess arbitrage. So there are three fields which and organizing also. So all these four fields should improve. So if many countries collaborate together, like we take India also, because India do a major role as well in chess. So if they allow players to come for tournaments and then play for tournaments and then with sort of collaboration, and it would be very nice. And for the improvement also, they will got more experience. Even in Sri Lanka, if Maldivians come to Sri Lanka and then maybe have some practice sessions together with us, and it will give them more experience about how our chess is, and then because our players also go for many international tournaments from very young age. So then junior players here also will get more experience by playing with them, maybe like friendly chess tournaments we can organize, and many things will help only. Like it will be great for chess players, for both. When they asked me for it, I was very happy because I always believe that women chess should be growing, and then many women players should play chess, because I see after some time many women players stop chess, especially after their I call A levels, when they're 18, after they leave school, they don't continue the sport. Chess is something that you can continue, like there are no age group. As example, there's a chess player from Bangladesh called Rani Hamid. She's 84, or I think she's like that age, and she's still competing in Commonwealth Games and many other chess tournaments, and she's still participating. So I want every women player to see that chess is something you can continue and still play. And I'm very happy that I could do a session with them and share my experiences with them. So I was very excited to do it today. Well, first I love the teamwork of MPL, and then that's why we proved by winning all the matches. We were unbeatable in the inter-office chess tournament, and this is the third time we won the tournament as well. So it's amazing, and MPL is like a family, always supportive. The teammates and the whole company, like was with us, and it was amazing, a massive experience. I'm very happy to be in MPL and take part in the tournament.